Alright guys, welcome back to Nate's Happy Hour Bar. Wasn't last week a marathon? 4 drinks. It pretty much did my head in coming up with all this stuff. This week, however, we are going to keep it simple and we are just going to make a Cuban Mojito. Straight from the original place this drink was designed, a Mojito the Cuban way. So now you might be asking yourself why there's a Cuban Mojito and any other mojito you'd buy at the bar. And the biggest difference is that you will probably notice that we're not going to muddle any of our ingredients together today. We're not using whole limes, we're just using lime juice. And the difference basically is that when the drink was invented in Cuba, they didn't want to turn the mint leaves into a paste. They wanted to stir the ingredients together to get the full flavor of the mint into the drink. Let's get started.
All right, we're gonna start by adding 8 to 10 mint leaves into our glass. We're gonna be adding 1 spoonful of sugar. We are gonna stir this up until all of the mint leaves are covered in the sugar. We're gonna be adding 1 ounce of water, and follow that with 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. And we're going to stir this up until all of the sugar is dissolved. And now we're going to add 2 ounces of white rum of your choice. We are now going to stir our rum mixture up. Now we're ready to cool this down by adding ice. Stir again. And now we're ready to pour this into our 2 glasses. Once our drink is poured, we're going to top it up with some soda water.
And here we have 2 Cuban mojitos. Let's try one out. I hope you get to try one of these bad boys out this long weekend. Let me know if you have any requests for next week. I got a few things on deck, but requests are always welcome. Cheers, everybody.